Made it to Harley Davidson. It's starting to rain, but I gotta go get that pot. Alright, we got the pot, we're on. Okay, so after 2 hours of riding, an hour out to Harley, an hour back, I had to go to a different dealership because of what I said before with the fiery and stuff. Don't ask me why I didn't check that, but I did. So I went out, came back, got the rod. I'm at the hotel, got here about 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna call it a day. Gonna get that rod in. I'll see if I can get it in. So let's go attempt that now. Before I start on it, I want to give you one last look. The zip ties are actually, you know, held up pretty well. I was surprised. And the wire I put in there as extra strength or extra security to hold it on. I also wired the back one, but that one was ready to go too. I think if I pull on this hard enough, it'll pop right off. All right, let's get started on this. We're going to take this off, put the new one in. So as usual, the Cruise Toolkit comes to the rescue. And there's the shifter, no cover. Can't get the cover on. For some reason, these little pieces are all stripped out, or appear to be stripped out. So I'm not even gonna mess with it. To the trash it goes. Too bad. It's a nice looking cover too. Oh well. Well, that's it, she's done. I'm gonna go get some dinner and call it a night. See you later. I got a Taco Bell tonight. Dinner of champions right there, bro.